Well, hey there, people. Well, it's Boxing Day, and we're not going boxing, but I got some scrap to pick up. Here comes my scrappers helpers. Scrappers helpers.
Do you have his leash?
No, I left it on the hook.
Oh, I'll grab it.
Okay. You don't need no stinking leash. Anyway, we gotta clean this off and go. Well, here's the shit that I picked up from my buddy Alain's house. He had hooked me up before. Anyway, Shelly spotted this fridge this morning when she took the dog for a walk, so we'll grab that. It's up to make some room. Well, there's today's shit. 3 car batteries anyhow. There's some other stuff in that barrel and that little outboard motor. And the fridge. I wonder what make that is. Evinrude, maybe? Alright, let's go have some beer skis. So yeah, I went romping with my buddy Dan the other day. Yeah, I didn't pull out my camera too much because it was pouring rain. And my GoPro, well, I broke this thing. The little clip. This is the clip that clips onto your helmet. But anyway, like I've searched, I went on eBay and everything. I'm trying just to replace this piece, and it's impossible. You got to get a kit. I went to the stores in Sudbury. Henry's Photography ordered me something. She thinks it might be it. We'll see. But this is all I need. Like I don't want to lose my GoPro. Haven't been here in a while. Well, I'm just here waiting for Dan. Yep, looks like I need a new battery. Like I let this thing run forever and it's just not keeping charge. But anyway, the battery is like 6 years old, 7, maybe 8. I don't know. Alright, Dan's on his way and we'll get this boosted and let's go romping. No Traxicle this time. No Traxicle.
No Traxicle. Well, it runs. Good.
I thought you were bringing the Traxicle. No.
Safer.
Safer. Faster.
Safer, faster.
Funner. Well, just like that, we're in my ice hut. That's how fast we ride, man. Fast, fast. Holy shit, dude. Wasn't expecting you here.
Nose around your trike too. No round. No round. I had my hands full. I forgot.
Go! Yeah, the bag's all scattered. Shattered.
Scatter, shatter.
Scatter, shatter.
I wanted to ask you something.
What kind of metal is that? There's 2 different types of metal. Everybody's looking at the board game behind.
Uh-oh.
Jomo's Island. It's pouring rain right now. We've been here for a couple hours. It's almost time to head back. We've been comfortable while we've been here though. The ice shack, we got the fire going. It's gonna be an interesting ride back, that's for sure. Icy.
Icy.
Icy. Is that bright? It's not cold in here, that's for sure. On Jomo's Island. Alright. We don't want to leave. So if anybody can send us provisions, like beer would be good because we're almost out of beer.
Candles.
Food's not important. Candles, we need new candle. That's our survival kit right there. Maybe a new e-cigarette because I just fell.
Marbles for the game. Cards.
Need marbles. Des allées. En français, c'est des allées. Allez.
Allez.
Speaking of allez, we gotta go. It's pouring rain out, kinda. Not really, but it's gonna suck. It's gonna suck and be fun at the same time.
Isn't it usually though?
It's awesome. If you're on a three-wheeler, it's just fun no matter what. Because you know you're gonna get to the end of it.
A sucking good time.
Suck. Don't know. Well, these lighters, they don't cut it. Oh no! Watch your eyes.
Fuck!
Oh boy. Well, the first one was like on Dan's thing. You missed it, obviously, but it was so much fun that we're gonna do it again. I have learned that you got to close that door real fast, though.
It just missed because I've got a very limited for shit.
You missed that?
Yeah, I missed it.
Well, anyway, I got these Sea Dog matches, and one out of maybe every 100 work.
And unfortunately, this is the one that works.
Strike it.
Impossible.
Look how small it is.
Impossible.
It was like the last one on the assembly line, probably. Try.
It's a toothpick.
Well, maybe it's meant to be just a toothpick.
Impossible.
Put it in your teeth.
It's broke.
Put it in your teeth.
Broken. In the fire. All right.
It'll light. See?
Whoa!
They work awesome. So if you're ever in an emergency, get yourself some Sea Dog matches.
They'll light in the fire. All you need is a fire to get them going.
And a beer.
And 20 degrees centigrade.
And we're, yeah, hell is coming upon us.
Sea Dog.
Sea Dog. Oh, there's the alleys.
Oh.
Okay. We could have a game of alleys.
How can you tell the difference? They're all fucking marble.
No, there's
color.
a routine.
No, they're all different colors.
Don't make me show you. There's a... Oh, shit.
It goes back.
Well, we made it out to Area 51. We got lost for a little bit.
Oh yeah.
A little bit.
Lost.
We got it now, though.
We'll be alright.
Oh, yeah. Almost home. Yeah, I don't want to pull out my camera too much because it's pouring rain out here. So leaving from the cemetery to Jomo's, it took about, well, a little longer on the way there because we had a few breaks. It took about an hour to come out, and we probably stopped one time for a leak or whatnot. So right on, I'm going to probably be going out there again this week. We'll see. I just got to gather some wood, cut some wood and shit. I want to go sleep over there. That's what I want to do. Well, right on, people. Cheers. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.